Repeat after me, please. Step 1. Try it again. Step 1.
Step 1.
Step 2.
Step 2.
Step 3.
Step 3.
Step 4.
Step 4.
Look at me, boys and girls. There's 4 steps to identify the underlying theme as a pattern for this work today. Okay? All right? Repeat after me, please. Step 1.
Step 1.
Carefully read the passage.
Carefully read the passage.
Now, I know you since you were in 1st grade or so, maybe even kindergarten, some of you. All right? I know you know how to read carefully. We'll do that in a moment. Step 2, repeat. Step 2.
Step 2.
Read the clues from the story.
Read the clues from the story.
And think about the clues. And, oh, sorry, I messed up. I'm sorry. Try it again. Step 2.
Step 2.
Read the clues from the story.
Read the clues from the story.
And think about what the clues tell you.
And think about what the clues tell you.
Ah, pretty good. Step 3.
Step 3.
Determine the underlying theme.
Determine the underlying theme.
Step 4.
Step 4.
Explain how the clues helped you.
Explain how the clues help you.
Determine the underlying theme.
Determine the underlying theme.
All right. Let's see. My friend in the white shirt. What's the first step we're going to do right now? She goes back to the box and reads step 1. Go ahead. Yep, carefully. Passage. Passage, okay? Has an S there, okay? And then my friend in the white t-shirt, what's the first step?
Carefully read the passage.
There you go. So let's do that. You're going to track with me, please, for the sake of time. 1, 2, 3, follow me. I'm starting with the title. The Chocolate Factory. You all with me? Okay, that's repeating after me. I only want you to track with me. All right? First word of the first paragraph is Willy. I'm going to start there. Willy Wonka. No, I'm reading. You're tracking. Willy Wonka gave a tour of his secret chocolate factory to 3 lucky children. One boy wanted to drink from Mr. Wonka's chocolate river. I'm thinking right now as I read, what message does the author want me to learn from reading about Mr. Wonka and the 3 children? Okay, that's what I'm trying to think. What's the message from here? I'm going to continue to read. The first word on the next paragraph is Mr. Here we go. Track with me. Mr. Wonka told him to stay away. The boy didn't listen and fell into the chocolate. When visiting another part of the factory, Mr. Wonka showed the children an incredible piece of gum. Mr. Wonka told them that the gum was not ready to chew. The girl grabbed the gum and stuffed it in her mouth anyway. I'm thinking, oh, 2 children have made a mistake in Mr. Wonka's chocolate factory. I wonder what the author's trying to tell me. I'm on sentence 8, boys and girls. It begins with the word she. Make sure your partner's on the word she, please. Make sure your partner's on the word she. I got to help my partner. Okay. I just heard someone say donde, so make sure you help. All right, here we go. She started turning colors after eating that gum, then turned into a giant purple grape. The last child, Charlie, listened to Mr. Wonka's rules. After seeing the entire factory, Mr. Wonka gave Charlie a lifetime supply of chocolates. Oh, man. And I just think, is the message to eat lots of chocolate? No, it's not. It's not. I have to think. There's 3... No, listen. I'm thinking. 3 boys and girls. 2 make mistakes. 1 listens. I wonder what the author's trying to tell me. Let's read our clues, and then you're going to tell a partner. All right, repeat after me, please. We're reading in the clues box now. The first boy. All right, 3 people remember that. Repeat after me, please.
The first boy.
Wait, hold on. I have to wait for me to speak before you repeat. The first boy.
The first boy.
Excellent. Tried to drink.
Tried to drink.
All of the chocolate.
All of the chocolate.
And fell into the river.
And fell into the river.
So just listen to this part. I'm thinking the first boy didn't listen. He messed up. That's what I'm thinking as I try to figure out the underlying theme. Repeat after me. Sentence 2. The girl ate too much.
The girl ate too much.
I'm going to start over, sorry. The girl ate too much gum.
The girl ate too much
and turned into a grape. Okay, listen please. I'm thinking, ooh, that girl messed up too. And now this happened. All right, sentence 3, repeat after me. Charlie followed the rules.
Charlie followed the rules.
And was given a lifetime supply. Of chocolate. Okay, listen to me. I'm thinking, Mr. Charlie, the boy, listened and good things happened. Now I have to choose a theme. An underlying theme that's not directly written in the sentence. You're going to show fingers 1, 2, 3, or 4 in a moment. All right? I'm going to read you your choices. Which sentence would be the best underlying theme for the story? A. And you're thinking, is this an underlying theme or is it a detail? Here we go. A. Misbehaving will get you in trouble. Behaving will get you rewards. That's not in the text. That's the message? Possibly. B. One boy wanted to drink from the chocolate river. Ooh, I remember that in the story. I think that's a detail. I have to pay attention if I'm going to choose that or not. C. Chewing gum is bad for you. This whole story, was it about chewing gum only?
No.
No, I don't think I'm going to be picking C. D. Mr. Wonka was a mean man.
No.
Yeah, I'm not sure it's all about Mr. Wonka. So I got to choose between A and B. 1 and 2. On the count of 3, you're going to show me A is 1, B are 2. 1, 2, 3. Show me your fingers. I think, boys and girls, that you all got it. Pat on the back. Nicely done. Circle A. Misbehaving will get you in trouble, I'm thinking. From after reading the story, behaving will get you rewards. Okay? Now, eyes on me, please. And teacher, this is one of those teacher decisions. So, because of time and how they're doing, I'm thinking, I met my purpose. I got them to think. Underline, not directly written in the text. Differentiate between a detail and a message. If they can do that part, I'm going to save explaining for another time. We'll add that level of knowledge or self-awareness to another lesson when we revisit this. Okay? Because I'm satisfied now that we got all those ones. All right? So boys and girls, you're going to turn to the next page. I think it looks like this. Closure. All right. Partners A and B. Listen to me very carefully because I'm going to give you the answer. And you can use it when you talk to your partner if you like. All right, here we go. Look at me. How many fingers am I holding up?
3.
How many fingers now?
1.
How many fingers here?
5.
Okay, focus on me. You all have done well for almost 50 minutes. Now, we're going to answer question 3 up there. Question 3 says, what did you learn today about determining or deciding the underlying theme in a fictional text? And I'll tell you right now that when I was teaching you, I tried to help you figure out that you weren't going to find the underlying theme in the writing. I tried to share with you that you had to think about the message. And I try to teach you that a detail from the story is not an underlying theme. Now what you're going to do is answer question 3 for yourself and your partner. And you can use my information if you'd like. Partner B, you're starting. What did you learn about the underlying theme and finding the... Oh, look at me. Hello, hello. It's just a door. Focus on me. Partner B, you're first. What did you learn about determining or finding the underlying theme? Partner A, you're after B. All right, go ahead, B, start. Today, I learned about... Today, I learned to determine... Now, you're listening to find out, because my partner's right. You're listening to my partner's answer because he's right. And then one of the girls will tell us his answer or their own. All right? My partner's right, so listen to his thinking. Ready? Okay, go ahead. I learned. You got to be loud. So practice this English. Okay? It is
the message.
the message of what? Story. You learned the underlying message is the message of the story. I need a girl to tell us what they learned about underlying message today. One of the girls. You can share what he said. You can share your own thinking. Come on, girls. Yeah. I learned. That's the underlying theme. Okay, say that one more time. You're right. I learned. Listening. The underlying theme. Thank you very much. Well done. Everybody repeat after me. I learned. That the underlying message. Is the theme. Is the idea. That the author wants to share. We did it!